Man, using the bathroom is the most relaxing thing I ever done. I should do some more. Hey, what? Hey, there's the bird! What? A bird? What is it doing? It took my sandwich and it's into your little Einstein's collection. What? No. Alright, I'll go do it. Alright, Link, where's the bird? Alright, Link, where's the bird? He's up there. Oh, what? What? Oh, I'm gonna get him. Alright, I'm gonna shoot the bird. Bang! Oh yeah, we got a bird! Alright, little birdie. Looks like we're gonna have you for dinner. Alright, I'm gonna take one of your sea flappers. No, bad child, bad. Let me take one of the sea flappers. No, bad. No, stop. Stop. Bad. Yeah. No, you know what? I'm just gonna stab you. At least I caught one of them sea flap. Wait a second. This ain't a sea flapper. This is a sausage. Ah! Stupid bird. I hate the bird. Alright, Link, so this sausage is the only thing we got to eat today. Because we don't have any money. And, yeah, this is the only thing we got to eat. I don't have a job, so. Yeah, the sea flapper, I think the bird, I mean. Link, don't be so sad. Come on. No, Link. Alright, anyways. I think the bird brewed up when I cut him with the knife. I think the bird brewed up. It might not even be a sausage. I don't even know. Anyways, it's the only thing we got to eat, so Link, eat up.
You know, I'm not really hungry right now. I'm just gonna go eat something later. Woody, why do you hate birds so much?
Well, they killed Buzz. And they ripped it. They pecked his eyes out like, bah, bah, bah.
I thought he was eaten by a shark.
Yeah, I don't know. I think they ate Buzz. I think sharks are birds, right? They're not like sea flappers. They're like birds. I think sharks are birds, okay?
I'm pretty sure they're fish.
What's a fish? I don't know what a sea flapper is.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed.
Yeah, same with me. Alright. Or not, y'all. Gotta get my gun. I smell something. Must be a sea flapper. What was that noise? Alright, we gotta go check it out. No, I wonder what that noise was. A mysterious noise. Yeah. What's that? Get my gun. Alright, birdie, time to die. Alright, I need to go tell Link. It's very urgent. Yeah. Link, the birds are attacking. And we need to do something about it. Here, look. Have this. It's a knife. And what I need you to do, I need you to take that knife and do nothing with it, okay? Very important. Alright, I'm gonna go fight the war. Whatever. Hey, birds, I'm gonna shoot you. Bang! Oh, what? Oh, I ran out of bullets. Oh no. Looks like I'm gonna have to do some hand-to-hand combat. Wait, yeah. No. Alright, we killed one. Oh no, they tangled me up. Never take me alive. Oh no, not this guy. You took my hat. What's wrong with you? I'ma fight you. Oh yeah, I'm tangled up. I can't. Well, looks like this is the end. I'm gonna get my eyes pecked out by birds. Get me! No, man! No!
You guys leave Woody alone. Yeah, that's right. Woody, let's go home.
Okay, let's go home. Now, Link, by the way, after this, you're grounded. I told you to stay still. And you saved me, and that's not staying still. So I'm gonna take your watching Twilight privileges. I'm gonna take them away for a week.